Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to unbox the Adventure Force Max Rumbler. That thing looks mean as heck. I got it for $12 at Walmart. Let's take a look. My hopes are not high. Trust me, they're not. I could be surprised, believe me. Here's the transmitter. This little piece of spaghetti hanging off of it. There's no instruction booklet, because actually the instruction booklet is printed on the back of the box. It doesn't look too complicated. But it does have some stick combinations you need to do the somersaults and the spins and the stands and stuff like that. So I mean, there's a little learning curve to it. I will tell you that it has a very solid feel to it. It's not, you're thinking that it's going to be like some real light, cheap feeling thing. No, it's pretty heavy actually. And it feels like it's very well made. I also find that hard to believe, but it does feel very well made. It has a tank-like feel to it. The on and off switch is right there on the bottom. This thing lifts up and the batteries go in here. 5 AA batteries go right in the bottom, which I just happen to have sitting right here. Yeah, this is one of them deals you're going to have to screw the thing back in, okay? Or the cover will pop off. It doesn't have that little snap clip on there, so you're going to have to go through this every time you want to use it, which that's no big deal, I guess. Okay, getting this off is a real pain in the ass. Okay, getting this back battery cover off this transmitter was a real royal pain. Alright, so it lights up there in the front. Has forward and reverse. That left stick controls the left wheel, so it's gonna kind of be like that. The Tumblebee, it was the same deal. Yeah, it's going to be similar to that in the way it works, so yeah. Alright. Doesn't seem like it's going to be as fast as the Tumblebee though. Because that Tumblebee was awfully fast. That was the only good thing about it actually. Alright. Boys and girls, I'm going to wind up taking this thing out into the parking lot and see what happens. Alright guys, thanks for watching.